Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are very well. So I am back with my new video, and in this video we are going to discuss the Ganga river system. In the previous video we had discussed the Indus river system, and in this video we are going to discuss the Ganga river system very briefly. So let's begin our topic. Okay, so we are done with the Indus river system. Now we are continuing the Ganga river system, and after Ganga river system, we will be doing the Brahmaputra river system. And after completing all these three, okay, then we will move to our peninsular rivers, and then we will complete that portion. But until then, we are going to cover the Ganga river system. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so if we talk about the Ganga river system, so first of all, we are going to discuss basically the Ganga river and its major tributaries. So let's begin with this. In this video, we are going to deal with the river Ganga. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, if we talk about the length of the Ganga river, so it is almost 2,500, nearly 2525 kilometers. Okay, and the Ganga river is the longest river of India. Okay, Indus and Brahmaputra river is not the longest river of India, but the Ganga is the longest river of India. Okay, let's move to next point, which is the headwater of the Ganga called Bhagirathi is fed by the Gangotri glacier. Okay, so concentrate at this point where it is saying that the headwater of the Ganga. What does the word headwater means? The word headwater means source stream of a river. So basically, the river which is flowing, okay, throughout the land surface. So from where it is gaining its source water. So the headwater is the source water of a river. So the source water, the source stream of a river is Bhagirathi river, which is originating from Gangotri glacier. Okay, actually Ganga is not originating from Gangotri glacier, but the headwater, which is Bhagirathi, is fed by Gangotri glacier and joined by Alaknanda, which is originating from Satopanth glacier at Devprayag in Uttarakhand. Okay, so let me explain this. So consider this is Gangotri glacier, and from this place the Bhagirathi river, okay, originates, and this is Satopanth glacier from where Alaknanda river originates, and at Devprayag, which is in Uttarakhand, the both river meets and join together to form a stream which is called Ganga. Okay, so you can see here, this is Alaknanda river and this is Bhagirathi river. These both rivers are joining together at which place? Devprayag in Uttarakhand, and from here this river is referred as Ganga river. Okay, so the Ganga river is the combination of two rivers, Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi is originating from Gangotri glacier, and Alaknanda river is originating from where? Satopanth glacier. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now let's move to the next point, which is at Haridwar. Okay, this is also an important point. At Haridwar, the Ganga emerges from mountains to the plains. Okay, so till Haridwar, okay, the Ganga river is flowing on the very steep slope or mountains, but after reaching Haridwar, the Ganga rivers emerges at the plain and flowing horizontally over the land surface. Okay, let's move to the next point, which is the Ganga is joined by many tributaries. Okay, so the Ganga river, which is joined by many tributaries originating from Himalayas. Okay, so basically the Ganga, which is formed by two rivers, okay, they are even originated from Himalayas, and there are many tributaries of Ganga even that those tributaries are even originating from Himalayas, such as Yamuna river, which is originating from Yamunotri glacier, which is the part of Himalayas, the Ghagra, Gandak, and Kosi. These all four rivers, okay, are originating from the Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay. Uh, so this Devprayag is a very important place which is in Uttarakhand. So there are basically total 5 prayags. Okay. Uh, Wait. Okay, so there are total 5 important prayags which I am going to tell you. The which one are they? So the first one is Vishnu Prayag, second one is Nand Prayag, third one is Karn Prayag, the Rudra Prayag, and Dev Prayag. Okay, these 5 prayags are very important for whom? For Hindus. Okay, because they perform some kind of rituals here, bathing rituals. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, let me explain. So this is the Ganga river, this one. Okay, this is the main stream of Ganga river, and these are the tributaries joined to Ganga. Okay, so those tributaries from which are originating from Himalayas, which I have told you, the Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Yamuna. Okay, so these are the these are the tributaries which are originated from Himalayas. Okay, and there are even other tributaries also. For example, Betwa, Chambal, and Gomti, Son. Okay, and Hooghly river is a distributary. Okay, this is not a tributary. This river is a distributary which takes away, which breaks apart from the main stream of Ganga river. Okay, which breaks apart. Okay, so tributary means the river joining to the main stream, and distributary means a river which is going away from the main stream. Okay, so let's move to the next point. Next slide. Before going to next slide, first we will look out this point, that right and left bank tributaries. Okay, so if you can see in this picture, this is Ganga and this is the right bank, this is the right side of the Ganga and this is the left side of the Ganga. So these all tributaries are referred as right bank tributaries because they are in the right side of the Ganga river, and these all tributaries are referred as left bank tributaries because they are in the left side of the Ganga river. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so the next point is the river Yamuna, the most important tributary of Ganga river. Which one? Yamuna. The river Yamuna rises from Yamunotri glacier in the Himalayas, as I have told you. The Yamuna river originating from where? Yamunotri glacier, which is a part of Himalayas, and it flows parallel to the Ganga. For example, if this is Ganga river, so this is some kind of Yamuna which meets Ganga at Allahabad, which is also known as Devprayag. So it flows parallel to the Ganga as a right bank tributary, and yes, remember this, that the Yamuna river is a right bank tributary of Ganga river, meets the Ganga at Allahabad. Okay, so where did the Yamuna river meet Ganga river? At Allahabad or Devprayag, you can say. Okay, Ghagra, Gandak, and Kosi. Okay, Kosi river is also known as Saurabh of Bihar. Okay, because it causes too much damages to property and life due to flood. Okay, so that's why the river Kosi is known as Swan of Bihar. So the Ghagra, Gandak, and the Kosi rise in the Nepal Himalayas. Okay, these three rivers are originating from Himalayas, but which Himalaya? Nepal Himalaya. Those Himalayas which are in the Nepal region, in the country of Nepal, those Himalayan peaks from where these three rivers are originating. Okay. The main tributaries which come from the peninsular uplands. Okay, we have seen the tributaries originating from Himalayas. Now we will look on those tributaries we are originating from peninsular uplands. Okay, so the main tributaries which come from peninsular uplands are Chambal, Betwa, and the Son. Okay, and these three rivers, Chambal, Betwa, and Son, do not carry much water. Okay, as I have told you that the Himalayan rivers are always perennial in nature, means they have all the time, they have a large amount of water flowing in them. But what about the peninsular rivers? The peninsular are non-perennial in nature. Okay, what does it means? It means that they do not carry too much amount of water with them. Okay, they depend upon the rainfall. Okay, when the rainfall will occur, the amount of water will increase in the peninsular rivers, but the Himalayan rivers do not. Okay, the Himalayan rivers totally do not depend on the rainfall. They seek water through both rainfall as well as snow melting. Okay. Okay, so let's continue our topic. So we had discussed the main tributaries of from the peninsular uplands, which are Chambal, Betwa, and so on, and they do not carry much water in them. Okay, so the Ganga flows eastward. As you will see, the river Ganga, from its origination point, it flows eastward till Farakka. Farakka is a region in West Bengal, India. Okay, India in which state? West Bengal. So up to Farakka, the Ganga flows eastward till Farakka in West Bengal. Here a river bifurcates from Ganga. Okay. In the previous slide, I have told you that a river breaks apart from Ganga. A river breaks apart or bifurcates from Ganga. And which river was that? It was the Hooghly river. Okay. So the Ganga flowing eastward. As you can see, the Ganga flowing eastward till Farakka in West Bengal. Okay, and here a river bifurcates from Ganga. Okay, and flows southward. So here a river flows southward after bifurcating from Ganga, which is Hooghly river. Okay, and after then what? After reaching Farakka, the Ganga enters Bangladesh. Okay, so and in Bangladesh, the river Ganga is called as Padma river. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. We will see these things in the next slide. Okay. So after reaching Farakka, the Ganga river enters Bangladesh. Okay. Further entering Bangladesh, where the river is named Padma. Okay. So the Ganga river is called as Padma river in Bangladesh, and then joins with Brahmaputra river. Okay. So this is Ganga river. After reaching, this is consider this point is Farakka. The Ganga river enters in Bangladesh. Okay, let's imagine this is Bangladesh. Enters Bangladesh, from where it joins the Brahmaputra river and then meet with the Bay of Bengal. And when the Ganga river and Brahmaputra river join together, after joining, the stream which is formed is called as Meghna river. Okay, so Padma river is the Ganga river which is called as Padma in Bangladesh, but this Padma river, when joined with Brahmaputra, then it is said as what? Meghna. Okay, and in Bangladesh, this Brahmaputra river is called Jamuna river. Okay, so remember all these names of the rivers in the Bangladesh country. Okay, I hope this point is clear now. So that after joining the Brahmaputra river and Ganga river, the both river form a very big and great delta, which is Sundarban Delta, and this Sundarban Delta is the largest delta in the world. Okay, so the delta formed by this river is known as Sundarban Delta, the world's largest delta. Okay, I hope this point is very clearly you had understood these points. Okay, so let me explain what is delta. Delta is a delta is some kind, you can say delta is a feature, okay, which is formed by rivers, okay, where at the river mouth, from at the point where river is meeting with the ocean, at that place the delta is formed. Okay, so we will cover all the uh, things which are formed by rivers, for example the meanders and oxbow lakes, deltas, estuaries. All these topics we will cover in a single video. Okay, so we will leave it for later. I hope you understood all these things which I have told you, which I have taught you. So this is all, this is so this is all for today. I hope you understood all the things. So इसी के साथ मैं आपसे अलविदा लेता हूँ, और तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज, जय हिंद, गुड बाय.